Connecting your Xumo Streambox to Wi-Fi is simple. First, power on the device and plug it into your TV via HDMI. Select your language and agree to the terms. On the setup screen, choose Connect to Wi-Fi. Scan for available networks and enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. The Xumo Streambox supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks using Wi-Fi 5 technology. If successful, sign in with your Xfinity account or set up a free profile to start streaming. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is stable and uses WPA2, WPA3 security for optimal performance. For a wired connection, use Ethernet instead. This is the easiest way to get started using Xumo Streambox and allows you to access tons of free content right away. Experiencing Wi-Fi drops on your Xumo Streambox? Common causes include a weak signal, router congestion, or firmware issues. Try moving your router closer or using a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal. Restart both the Xumo device and your router. Update the firmware via Settings, System, Software Update. For increased stability, switch to an Ethernet connection. If drops occur during streaming, ensure no VPN is active. To diagnose the problem, use the Xumo app's network diagnostics or third-party apps like Wi-Fi Analyzer. If issues persist during peak hours, it may be due to ISP throttling. By addressing these potential issues, you can ensure a seamless streaming experience.